In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track changes and view sheet activity in Smartsheet. Being able to see who changed what and when is really important when you're collaborating with a team or managing a complex project. Smartsheet gives you a couple of built-in tools for this: the activity log for overall sheet activity and cell history for detailed changes to a single cell. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to use both so you can quickly find the information you need. Let's start with the activity log. With your Smartsheet open, look over to the right-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical toolbar with several icons. Find the one that looks like a small graph or chart. This is the activity log icon. Go ahead and click that. When you open the activity log, a panel appears that shows a chronological list of actions taken on the sheet. This might include things like rows being added or deleted, cells being updated, and permissions being changed. Think of this as your high-level audit trail for the entire sheet. To make this information more useful, you'll want to apply filters. At the top of the activity log, you can filter by date range, by action type, and by collaborator. The date range filter lets you narrow down the log to a specific period, for example, everything that changed this week or yesterday. This is helpful if you only care about recent updates or need to review a particular time window. Next, you can filter by action. For instance, if you're trying to find out who deleted a specific row, choose an action like row delete from the dropdown. This removes unrelated activity and makes it much easier to focus on exactly the kind of change you're investigating. You can also filter by collaborator. This is useful if you want to review all the changes made by a specific person, such as a team member you just added to the sheet. Combine these filters together to really narrow things down, like viewing only row deletes by a particular collaborator within a certain date range. Now, sometimes you don't need the whole sheet history, you just want to know what happened to one specific cell. For that, you'll use cell history. Find the cell you're interested in, right-click on it, and choose View Cell History from the menu. A small window will open showing the previous values of that cell, along with who made each change and when it happened. This is especially helpful if a value was overwritten or if you're trying to restore or verify older information. And that's it. By using the activity log for overall sheet activity and view cell history for specific cells, you can confidently track changes and understand exactly what's happening in your Smartsheet.